In today's video, we're diving into the fascinating world of INTJ personality types and exploring their 8 unique superpowers. Recognized for their strategic mindset and creative problem-solving abilities, INTJs have strengths that distinguish them in both personal and work environments. We'll uncover how these traits can lead to remarkable achievements and influence the way they interact with others. Whether you're an INTJ yourself, or just curious about this intriguing personality type, stay tuned as we reveal the extraordinary capabilities that make INTJs truly exceptional. Number 1. Strategic thinking. INTJs are renowned for their exceptional strategic thinking skills, allowing them to analyze complex situations with remarkable clarity. Their ability to break down intricate problems and identify patterns enables them to devise effective solutions. With a natural talent for long-term planning, INTJs often foresee potential challenges and opportunities, positioning themselves for success. For instance, in their careers, they might create detailed project roadmaps that anticipate future needs, while in their personal life, they often set clear goals that guide their decisions. This foresight not only enhances their effectiveness, but also empowers those around them. Number 2. Independence. INTJs thrive on their strong sense of independence and self-reliance, often preferring to work autonomously rather than in collaborative settings. This autonomy allows them to make decisions based on their insights and analyses, fostering a sense of self-sufficiency that is crucial to their success. By relying on their judgment, INTJs can explore unconventional ideas and approaches, which often leads to creative and innovative solutions. In addition to giving individuals the freedom to follow their dreams, this independence fosters a distinct viewpoint that can motivate others to succeed. Number 3. Analytical skills. INTJs possess exceptional analytical skills that enable them to dissect complex problems and identify effective solutions. Their logical reasoning and critical thinking capabilities allow them to approach challenges methodically, ensuring no detail is overlooked. For instance, in areas such as engineering, INTJs thrive at resolving technical problems by dissecting them into smaller, manageable parts. In business, they analyze market trends to develop strategic plans that drive growth. This keen analytical mindset not only enhances their problem-solving abilities, but also positions them as valuable assets in any professional environment. Number 4. Visionary mindset. INTJs are known for their visionary mindset, allowing them to envision future possibilities with remarkable clarity. This forward-thinking perspective enables them to innovate and create groundbreaking ideas that challenge the status quo. For instance, famous INTJs like Elon Musk and Isaac Newton have made significant contributions to technology and science, pushing boundaries and inspiring change. Their ability to see beyond current limitations and imagine what could be is a hallmark of the INTJ personality. This visionary approach not only drives their ambitions but also influences entire industries and societies. Number 5. Confidence. INTJs exhibit a strong sense of confidence in their abilities, which significantly influences their decision-making processes. This self-assuredness allows them to trust their insights and judgments, leading to decisive actions even in uncertain situations. In leadership roles, their confidence inspires trust and respect from team members, fostering a collaborative environment. For example, when faced with challenges, INTJs are more likely to tackle obstacles head-on, using their analytical skills to devise effective solutions. This unwavering confidence not only helps them navigate difficulties, but also empowers others to follow their lead and embrace change. Number 6. Problem-solving abilities. INTJs are renowned for their systematic approach to tackling challenges, breaking down complex issues into manageable parts. This methodical mindset allows them to analyze situations thoroughly and identify root causes. Their creativity shines through as they explore unique solutions that others might overlook. For instance, in project management, an INTJ might develop an innovative workflow that streamlines processes and boosts efficiency. In technology, they often create cutting-edge software solutions that address specific user needs. These real-life scenarios highlight how INTJs leverage their problem-solving abilities to drive success and inspire innovation in various fields. Number 7. High standards. INTJs are known for setting exceptionally high standards for themselves and those around them, driven by their relentless pursuit of excellence. This commitment to quality propels them toward success, as they consistently strive to improve their skills and outcomes. In teamwork and collaboration, their high expectations can elevate group performance, encouraging others to push their limits and achieve more. For example, in a corporate setting, an INTJ might lead a project that not only meets but exceeds client expectations, resulting in outstanding results and long-lasting partnerships. Their high standards ultimately foster a culture of excellence and innovation. Number 8. Adaptability. INTJs demonstrate remarkable adaptability in various situations, allowing them to adjust their strategies as needed to achieve their goals. Their analytical nature enables them to assess changing circumstances and pivot effectively when faced with new challenges. They also excel at learning from experiences and feedback, using these insights to refine their approaches. For instance, in a fast-paced work environment, an INTJ might shift its project management style based on team dynamics, leading to improved collaboration and results. This adaptability not only enhances their success, but also positions them as resilient leaders in any setting. These traits not only drive their success, but also inspire those around them. As you reflect on your strengths, consider how you can harness similar qualities in your life. If you enjoyed this video and want to learn more about personality types and their unique strengths, subscribe to my channel for more insightful content. Thanks for watching, and I look forward to seeing you in the next video.